What's up guys, the Airsoft Tech here. Today I'm gonna do a little review on the T238 trigger. There's two models. There's one for speed stuff or I don't know what. But first of all, let's crack it open. That's some nice packaging in there. So here's all the parts of it. We have the shaft that is free moving. Okay. The spring looks tight, good pressure on it and all that stuff, that's good. And you have those two adjustable screws. Yeah. So those are 1.5 mil. That one too. Yep. So 1.5 mil add-in for them. So I'm gonna install it on my SEMA sport line, and I guess the longer one goes in there because and the shorter one is there. But yeah. By the way, there's a lot of different color. I choose black because fits well with the gun, but if you want those really nice red one or blue or whatever, they got them. So, and I really like the design. It's flat, but at the same time I have some kind of finger grooves on the side. That's pretty cool. So anyway, I open my gun and the gearbox, all that stuff, and I'll be back. So my gearbox is open, and now I've put my screws in there. First of all, the screws are really loose, so once you have adjusted, you maybe want to drop a little drop of Loctite or something, just to make sure. And it seems externally adjustable because there's no way that goes in there. So I think that's pretty good that way. Yeah, I don't like the fact that that's just sliding around. I'm gonna get my gearbox up and that thing can just go out, and my gearbox just my trigger just thing was stuck in there, man. Holy shit. And now for the other side, screw it until you don't have the return. Basically same thing, but I'm gonna start with a small drop of that guy too, like so. Let's go. Now right. If you can see it, that's pretty light, right? Now the T238 trigger is installed, and that's, you barely move it and it shoots, right? Okay, if you can see it, it's pretty good. Oh, that's crazy. Super responsive, right? So yeah, like I said, I really like the trigger, but the design of the shaft, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, that's pretty good, and the spring is a little bit weak. I like a little bit stronger spring, for the trigger to reset a little bit quicker. But it's super smooth and all that stuff. I didn't try to do a like feather trigger or anything. I could have adjusted a little bit, you know, like with less movement, less way and less reset, but you know, I just want something, you know, like that, you know, just something a good trigger, responsive, and that's pretty much it, you know. So yeah, so yeah, really good T238 trigger, you know, really good, but it's a little bit cheaper than the max trigger, but I still, you know, for the same price, you know, let's say, I prefer the max trigger because, you know, like I said, the shaft and the spring, I think, is a little bit stronger, but you know, around the pretty much the same for that, but at least, you know, it's a little bit less a pain in the ass, you know, to install it and, you know, all that stuff. You know, you just grab your gearbox, your pin fall out, and you know, your trigger just come loose into your trigger. You have your gearbox, and you have to disassemble everything, and yeah, that's you know, but that's a quick and simple fix, you know. So, and another thing is the design of it, you know, that's pretty good. Like I said, you know, looks like nice CNC aluminum, and you know, you can really choose the color you want, you know. The Max 2, but you know, they are not necessarily in stock, those one right now at least, and all the time I check there, you know, you can grab what you want and that's it, you know. That's like going to the shopping. So anyway, so that's pretty much it for the review of the trigger, T238 adjustable trigger. Good stuff, not perfect, but you know, that's pretty good.
So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I hope you have a great day. That was the Airsoft Tech, and I'll catch you in the next one.